When it comes to health care costs after you retire, what can you expect? Well, for one thing, a lot of uncertainty. That doesn't mean that you should throw up your hands and surrender. It just means that precision in this prediction is going to be hard to come by. We just know it's going to be a very big number. Healthcare costs are rising at 7% to 8% annually, much higher than inflation, and fewer companies are offering any kind of health care for retirees. Well, what about Medicare? In their 2014 annual statement, the Social Security and Medicare boards of trustees said neither Medicare nor Social Security can sustain projected long-run program costs in full under currently scheduled financing. And legislative changes are necessary to avoid disruptive consequences for beneficiaries and taxpayers. I need that translated. Well, what that really means in plain English is that either your taxes are going up or your benefits are going down. One danger at this point is that you would throw up your hands and give in. But that's not really going to help anything, is it? So here are some positive steps that you can take to prevent wealth loss due to health costs in retirement. First, take care of yourself now. You can't guarantee yourself a healthy future by taking care of yourself now, but you can greatly increase your odds. How ironic it is that so many of us sacrifice our health by overworking so we can make more money, only to spend all that money that we made fixing the body we ignored all those years. The second thing you can do is start saving now. If you think saving is hard now, wait till you're older and you've got less energy, less margin, and less time. Make hard choices now so you won't have to have a hard life later. And finally, put a safety net in place now. The fact that you cannot predict with utter certainty what healthcare costs will be in your future is no reason to freeze. It's very likely you'll need money for those healthcare costs in the future, so why not put those dollars in place now at a discount through strategic insurance purchases? That may include long-term care insurance, Medigap insurance at the proper time, and even some life insurance. Life insurance is an often overlooked tool for managing the financial risks of longevity. Work with an experienced agent to explore any of the options that I just mentioned. Now, you cannot predict your future, but you can begin to prepare for it. So I'd recommend you get started now. Offering you wisdom on wealth, I'm Byron Moore.